Red lentils, nutrient-rich goodness and blood sugar control. Introduction. Red lentils, often referred to as Masoor Dal, is a nutrient-rich and healthy food item which has been an essential ingredient for many diets over the many centuries. The small lentils with a lens contain vital nutrients and offer a variety of health advantages. In this post, we'll explore the nutritional content of red lentils and also examine how they aid in blood sugar management. Nutritional profile. Red lentils provide a wealth of nutrients. This makes them an ideal choice for those who want to adhere to a balanced eating plan. They're low in calories, but are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbs. 100 grams of red lentils cooked provides around 116 calories, 9 grams of protein, as well as 5 grams of fiber from dietary sources. They are also an excellent source of vital minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, as well as folate. Blood sugar control. Red lentils are a great source of food to control blood sugar levels because of their low glycemic index, GI. Glycemic index refers to the speed at which carbohydrates from food transform into glucose before being released into the bloodstream. Foods that have a low GI values release glucose gradually and prevent sudden rises of blood sugar. The amount of soluble fiber found in red lentils plays an important role in the control of blood sugar. Soluble fiber is an emulsion-like substance within the digestive tract and reduces the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. The gradual release of glucose aids in keep blood sugar levels stable and avoids abrupt drops in energy levels. The red lentils are also rich in polyphenol that are proven to have an effect positive on the control of blood sugar. Polyphenol aid in regulating the release of insulin and improve the sensitivity of insulin, thus increasing the body's capacity to use glucose efficiently. Overall health benefits. Alongside the control of blood sugar, red lentils also provide many advantages for health. Below are a few benefits of including red lentils in your daily diet. 1. Heart health. Red lentils are high in fiber and are linked to a lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Lentil soluble fiber aids in lowering LDL cholesterol levels. In addition, the potassium content can help regulate blood pressure. 2. Loss management. Red lentils are low in calories and are high in fiber and protein, which makes them a great option for managing weight. Protein and fiber can keep your body full for longer and may reduce your overall calories consumed. 3. Digestive health. The rich fiber content of red lentils aids in healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. They also provide food to beneficial gut bacteria and supports the health of your gut microbiome. 4. Iron source. Red lentils are an excellent source of plant-based iron. They are particularly useful for those suffering from iron deficiencies or anemia. Iron is vital to produce red blood cells as well as the treatment of anemia caused by iron deficiency. Integrating red lentils in your diet. Once you've figured out the health and nutritional advantages of red lentils, it's time to integrate red lentils into your daily food plan. Here are some suggestions on ways to include red lentils in your diet. 1. Soups and stews. Red lentils can add the texture and taste to stews and soups. They cook fast and easily break down, making a smooth and delicious consistency. 2. Salads. Add cooked red lentils on your salads to get an additional amount of fiber and protein. They impart a rich, nutty taste and boost the nutrition value of the meal. 3. As a side dish, red lentils are cooked and served as a dish to accompany the main meal. Add spices and herbs to enhance the flavor of your dinner. 4. Veggie burgers and patties. Mix cooked lentils and your favorite vegetables as well as spices, herbs, and other ingredients to make delicious and healthy vegetable patties or burgers. Conclusion. Red lentils are a nutrient-rich and versatile food source that provides many benefits for health. From controlling blood sugar levels to weight loss and heart health control, including red lentils in your diet is a great option to improve your overall health. If you like them as salads, soups, or as a side dish, they are an excellent and healthy addition to your meals. Explore the many options for cooking using red lentils, and you'll discover an array of delicious options to satisfy your palate and your overall health.